We keep every tank at 31 degrees, constant humidity. The skin grows stronger that way. You see it later, every scale stays intact.
They eat slow, always calm. If they stress, the skin hardens. That's why we control everything. The light, the water, the sound.
Scales look good, hydration levels are high.
The misting system is working perfectly.
Let's get this grate back down.
Every texture you see grow, it starts here. Humidity makes the difference between a jacket and a waist skin. It's small, but it changes everything.
People see the leather, not the process. But down here, please, it's humidity, steel, and time. That's what makes it perfect.
Here we start the preservation cycle. Each skin is rinsed, measured, and fixed. We keep them alive.
Every mark you see, we remove by hand. The surface must breathe too much pressure and the pattern dies. It's precise work. We don't use machines for everything. The hands tell more than sensors. You can feel when it's right. Hello, the moisture, the texture, the pull.
By now, the skin's alive in a different way. It breathes through the metal, through the water, through us. From here, it goes to refinement.
The drying must be slow. Too fast, and the texture cracks. We use air, not heat. Cold keeps the grain alive.
Each section of skin dries at a different rate. We rotate them every 2 hours, top, bottom, side. Precision comes from movement.
Control, this is Sector Gamma. Got a significant drip on the main conduit near filter array 4. Looks like valve corrosion.
Most think drying means heat, but in here it's the opposite. Cold air keeps the fibers open. The shine comes later, after rest.
The air here shapes the final surface. Too dry, brittle. Too wet, dull. Careful with the next batch, Juan.
See, I see it. Keep the line moving.
Of your stage. We call this the leveling stage. Here we remove tension, every wrinkle, every uneven spot.
Pressure and rhythm, that's everything. If the brush goes too deep, it burns the pattern. Too soft, and you lose the shine. It's all balance. And
we never rush. The skins breathe through water and metal. The shine must come slowly, chew, through air, not polish.
Once it leaves here, the skin is stable, clean, level, and ready. What you see now is the surface before transformation.
Every tone comes from temperature and time. The color seeps into the scales, not on them. We work by minutes, not by sight.
We wash 3 times after dyeing. First for residue, second for tone, third for life. The color must breathe, not coat. We keep it cold here. The finish comes from pressure later, not heat. Cold locks the color deep, permanent, natural.
Color is control. We don't paint, but we let the skin absorb. It remembers everything, air, water.
Each cut follows the pattern, water never against it. We slice along the scales, not across. That's how the surface stays natural.
We check for flaws by touch, not sight. The skin tells you where to cut, where it bends, where it breathes.
Pressure makes the edge perfect. Too soft, it frays. Too hard, it cracks. We find the line by repetition.
Dispo. When the pieces leave this room, they're ready for joining, each one traced by hand, each one identical.
Every panel is hand-aligned. Machine precision helps, but the feel matters. Snake skin shifts, Tay. You must follow it, not fight it.
It's delicate work. Each stitch, each joint named. If you rush, it breaks. Snakeskin remembers every mistake.
We're not building clothes, Day. We're finishing surfaces. The jacket is just a frame for what the skin already is.
I'm noting the slight abrasion on scale 34. The tag confirms the date.
Understood. I will proceed with folding and placement on the rack.
By this point, every piece carries the same air, the same water, the same touch. What leaves here
This seam here needs attention. I see it. Looks good now.
Every piece is tracked. Origin, humidity, weight, everything. Nothing leaves this line without a record. Precision never stops here.
From air and water to texture and form, nothing here is waste. Every